tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to bring your most ambitious projects to life with precision, accuracy, and unparalleled quality. That's exactly what the HP DesignJet T870 large format 24-inch plotter printer promises to deliver. This powerhouse of a printer is designed to cater to the needs of architects, engineers, construction professionals, and educators who demand the very best in terms of line quality, text crispness, and overall print excellence. One of the standout features of the HP DesignJet T870 is the comprehensive support package that comes with it. You get an impressive 2-year extended warranty, which includes on-site and remote support, HP parts, and even next business day device service if your issue can't be resolved. This level of support gives you the peace of mind to focus on your work, knowing that you're backed by a team of experts who are just a call away. Whether you're working on a critical project deadline or just need help troubleshooting an issue, the extended warranty has got you covered. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the idea of having a dedicated team of experts at their beck and call, ready to jump in and save the day whenever you need it? The HP DesignJet T870 is an absolute rockstar when it comes to handling a wide range of media sizes and types. With the ability to print on up to 24-inch wide media rolls and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the included automatic sheet feeder accessory, you've got the flexibility to tackle projects of all shapes and sizes. Whether you're working on technical line drawings, renders, posters, signage, or maps, this printer is the perfect tool to help you bring your vision to life. And with its automatic sheet and roll switch, media bin, and automatic horizontal cutter, you can print on a range of compatible banner, photo, film, glossy, self-adhesive, coated, and bond paper or media with ease. The possibilities are endless, and the level of quality is simply stunning. But what really sets the HP DesignJet T870 apart is its ability to print multi-size projects easily and automatically, without needing to manually switch the media source. This is a total game changer for anyone who's ever had to deal with the hassle and wasted time of switching between different paper sizes. With the HP DesignJet T870, you can simply load up your media and let the printer do the rest. And with cost-saving efficiencies like using up to 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers, you can save money and reduce waste while still producing top-notch prints. It's a win-win situation that's hard to resist. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T870 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an incredible piece of technology that's sure to revolutionize the way you work. With its impressive 2-year warranty, versatile media handling capabilities, and cost-effective printing solutions, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their projects to the next level. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP DesignJet T870 today and discover a whole new world of printing possibilities. Trust me, your projects will thank you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your work and take your creativity to new heights. Join the ranks of the printing elite and experience the power of the HP DesignJet T870 for yourself.